Hi there and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. As you know, in the last video we connect MongoDB with our project and made the UI for login and register pages and also did the integration in both pages too. In today's video we will work on making the APIs and their integration with our client-side project. Let's get started now. As we are in the same project, right-click on API folder and create a new folder auth. As per our endpoint, the register API we will make on API/auth/register, so create a new file here with the name register.ts. In that file, we will make a handler here. This handler will have post object and it will be asynchronous. Also, don't forget to export the handler here. Add a try-catch block here and through the response and catch block to client side. In try block, return a response with null values as we are not going to send anything to the client side. The status code will be 201 created, and the status text will be anything you want here. Above the return statement, we will get the data from request.json. To check what we are sending from client side, open the register file as we are sending 3 values. Copy the values and paste it in the curly brackets. Now above the handler, get db variable which we got from connection file and name the collection here. I'll name the collection as users. Now first we will check if the username has already existed in the DB. We will tell user to select another name or something. Else what we do is insert that data in DB. Let's add a user in the browser now. As I'm in the browser, go to register page. Open a console here, so if we got any issues, we can fix easily here. Add a user now. As you can see, we are redirected to login, which means the user is created as we made a logic in client side. If status got 201, we will be redirected to login. Alright, let's check the MongoDB compass if the user is created or not. As I'm in MongoDB compass, click on auth as we made our database name as auth. Click on users here. As you can see, the data is created. But there is one thing: the password need to be saved in hashed form so no one knows what kind of password user added. Alright, let's get back to the browser now. Open new tab here. Search for Bcrypt deno and press enter after that. Click on first link now. Here you can read how it's work and how we can use that in our project. Let's copy the import link from here. Open the VS Code again. Paste the import link here. Now if you see the red link on import, just hover on it and click on quick fix and make that import as cached. That red line will be removed. Now before saving the data in DB, let's generate a salt here using Bcrypt, and below that I will use that salt to create the password as hash. Now in password field, I'll change the value as hashed password. Alright, I just forgot one thing here to make an interface or modal for our database. Let's create that above. As interface is ready, use that in DB collection. One last thing I want to change, which is open register file in islands folder, and before redirecting the user to login page, let's show an alert here. In our API file, move the return block to else block now. Everything is done now. Let's check the changes in the browser now. Alright, as I'm in the browser, let's add another user here. Click on register button. As you can see, we got the pop-up now which shows the user is registered. Great, let's check the user password in the DB now. Open MongoDB compass again, refresh the DB. As you can see, the password is saving in hashed form now. In the next video, we will work on login functionality. That's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Happy coding!